What's up, Dustin here with Champ House Motorsports, and right now I'm trying to make a tire rack for our race trailer. It should fit 4 tires. I was gonna TIG weld it, but my TIG welder is out of gas. If you don't believe me, here, watch, ball goes up. Ball don't even go up anymore. She is empty, so I'm screwing this thing together. Go ahead and take a look. All right, this is what I got going on. I had some scrap aluminum angle iron, so 2 screws there so it doesn't pivot. I got this upright right here. I got this, I'm freaked up my hole, but I'm hoping maybe that pivoting hole. I don't know. If that works on this side, I'm gonna do it to the other side. Cut this little notch in it, hopefully it flips up. Same thing on this side. I'm gonna go ahead and assemble it, and then I'm gonna put a strap from here to here, and then we'll see if it works. I don't know if I'm gonna mount it in the trailer tonight. I kind of want to wrinkle black it, and but let's see if I can get it together tonight. Whoa. Holes. Yeah, that works. That one. That should work. Guess I should put my hardware in. It's not sticking out looking crazy. There we go, tire rack for those tires and rims. And I'll just bolt that to the inside of my race trailer. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Then I'll show you when I'm done once I tighten all the bolts. Like I said, bolts there, it's just angle iron, bolts there, bolt there. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. And that's all you do. Yes, I could have welded it. Like I said, I'm out of gas. I can bolt all this together and then I can weld it, you know, it's whatever. I just need to get the car to the track, and I don't want all the tires stacked up in our little camper area up front. So this will work for now. See if I can hold a flathead. Same right size, but it worked. Barely. I filmed that whole thing upside down, but I think in iOS you can flip that over. I gotta clean up. The other day I blew all the leaves out from underneath this, and look where they went. You see all that dirt? I had just cleaned those drawers. Freaking crazy. Oh, the air hose. I put air in the tires and flat spot the tires. Before I shut the lights down, I'll show you what I got going on. All right, here's my tire rack. What do you think? All scrap aluminum that I've found. I just drilled holes, bolted it there, put a bigger bolt there because that's gonna be my pivot point. I'm gonna put a clip style once I get it, where I can take this bar out and just flip it up and clip it, drill another hole there and there, of course. Gotta drill some holes on these back plates to mount it to the race trailer. And this is what I'm thinking. It's getting dark, I gotta go home, it's Easter. I don't wanna put it on this side, but I'm tempted to put it on this wall. So the car comes in and the driver steering the car into the trailer has to get out on this side. So I don't want nothing here, because if they're getting out of the car, it's just gonna be in their way. Now, where are my lights? I guess I could turn, I think this trailer has, I'm hooked up to shore power right now, so I'll just leave those off a bit. So, all right, I got a bench seat there to put on her uniform. Here's where she gets out of the car. Back here is probably maybe a good spot to put them, and then I can flip them up. But I was thinking about over here, just keep everything on one wall pretty much, or should I put them over here? I'll have to hold them up and see. Let me go grab them and let's look. I was thinking, this is probably gonna be awkward to hold up. Hold it up to one side. I was thinking here, I was thinking there. I gotta measure the car and see if the car can fit under it, so I might have to go taller and see how tall for the tires. So up as high as possible. So right here, it does kind of stick out kind of far. Hopefully I didn't make it too long. Those are pretty big tires though. Or over here, up here somewhere, there's a electric right there. So you've seen those places. Now I have my hallway to our front little, I'm gonna put a little dangly curtain there and have AC up front. But if I put it right here, it's it's gonna be in the way of the hallway with the tires down. So you could only use the door. If I put it here, the car should fit. And then you only have this little bitty, you can still get through. So it's not terrible. I moved it forward. I gotta find out where the windshield of the car is. So I need the car in here actually before I hang this. Right there is definitely, that is definitely in the way of the hallway. That's not good. I don't know if I like that. Maybe I can shorten it up. All right, so I gotta put the car in here. Next video, let's roll a tire. Oh, this one has a rim in it. Oh. So, wait a minute. I think I made it too long. I'm gonna have to shorten it up. Shit. Possibility of slipping through. Well, these are the mistakes you made. You want to see what I'm talking about here? Get ready to call it a night. So, see, the wall will be here, so the tire will touch the wall, and then that bar will catch over here. And right now it catches like halfway up on the tire, so the tire sits like halfway through it. And so, I mean, I could do that, but if I shorten it, I'll give myself more room. If I hang it here in the hallway, I could shorten it, and there'll be more of a path to come right through here to get in here. See, what I'm trying to do is get all this out of the way, because right now I'm just throwing the tires up here and it's kind of crowded. So when you get to the track, you move the car out and the tires in the back, of course, but that'll be a little more convenient. Be nice to stick the tires there, huh? If anybody hasn't seen this setup, here's my daughter racing. Yeah, it's a pretty cool setup. Wire hanging down like that. But I think I made some videos about this trailer. But that's it. I'm gonna shorten it up on the back side because it's less holes to drill. That's what? 1, 2, that's 4 holes to drill there. And it's only 2 holes to drill here. Much easier to lop it off back here and just move that forward. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna shorten it up. But that's how you build a tire rack out of scrap metal. So race tire rack for $0. All this stuff I have just collected over the years out of junk. Just picking it up, you know, that's what I did. I'm Dustin. This is Champ House Motorsports. I'm gonna try to get my daughter to a practice. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it. Maybe her grandfather is gonna take her to the practice, but I'm gonna dang sure try to be there. But hopefully we get this thing started soon. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.